Council?
Yes.
Some people have been saying that Ssemakadde, just like you, are responsible for the imprisonment orders because you misbehaved. What's your comment?
Those are fools.
Eh?
Yes, and they are weaklings who don't appreciate how rule of law works. Rule of law is not about morals or discipline. Rule of law is about democratic values, is about contradiction. So when I have a contradictory view with a person acting as a judge, I have a right to say whatever I want to say. That's the freedom of speech.
Repeat it, Council. Democratic values and?
Democratic values.
That's the rule of law. It's about the, yes, it's about the yes.
Contradiction.
Contradiction and democratic values.
Contradiction is the core of democracy.
Okay.
That you speak this, I speak the other one. You speak this, I speak the other one. That's contradiction.
Yes.
Now, when I contradict myself with a person calling himself a judge,
yes, that
is within my right.
You have the right.
Now, when someone abuses the limited power given to him to exercise the powers of the judiciary, and he thinks he can abuse that to imprison someone in a civil proceeding beyond even the 6 weeks allowed by the Civil Procedure Act, now that person must be removed from office. The Ssekaana of this town must be removed from office over misconduct, over incompetence. So for you to blame the victims of that abuse, that is Mabirizi, that is Ssemakadde, that is Kiza, from to blame them, you are just a fool.
But what do you lose when you respect the judges?
We lose our sovereign right and under Article 1. Okay. We are the sovereign authority. We have the power. So we cannot surrender to our employees. Ssekaana is our employee. Dodo is our employee. So why do you want citizens to surrender to employees? Because they think they can abuse the powers we give to them. So don't forget, people, we are going to Rwanda for East African Court of Justice session this February. And we are fundraising via 0701 881231 and 78733 086.